Pigilan mo siya! Pigilan mo siya! Ayun! Hey!
Art na siya ngayon.
Hey! Aww. Ay, parang na-unlock. Thank you, Jayla! I love you! We love you! We love you! Kiss, kiss, kiss. Nagpo-pose
Dito or dito?
Dito sa left. Yan, dyan, dyan. Yung ngiti mo. Parang hindi na kaya.
Meanwhile,
Isa lang ba?
Pabili ako dati ramen ng ganyang seeds. Di naman tumili. Girl.
Gawin mo nga yung, uy, ano, yan.
Ibig na may tumakbo palapit. Bro. Nalalabas dyan, tumatakbo bigla.
Ay, nakakonect.
Ah, sorry na open this one.
Hello po. Pa. Pwede pala tayo magkita. Yan lang.
the next day.
Kala nyo.
Kala nyo, na-scam tayo, ha?
Pagbalik.
Sila, may charge mo.
Ay, ano to, babe? Yeah, leave it there para may case. So, oh my gosh, yung tour na. Dapat ito-tour ko kayo, guys. So, say hi to Jack na nasa likod. And, ito yung switch to the pathway. Then, here is the bathroom. The sliding door. Parang ang tigas mo. Ito ang toilet, and then towels, and toiletries. Wow, sana all ito yung wet. Anyways, ito yung shower. OMG, ano pala? There you go! This is the 2 beds for me and Ate Jack. Nandito yung cabinet. To the robes. Oh my gosh, the Jack, we can be bougie later.
Bruh.
So, ayan. Ay, sorry, parang naninira pa ako. And we have a TV. Oh, sana may cable dyan kasi usually hindi gumagana ang mga TV. Ano tawag dito tayo? Complimentary.
Yeah.
Meaning, beaver shop. This is the minibar na hindi namin kaya.
How much is it?
It's so mahal, everybody. And magsha-shot ka lang. Ganyan ako naman. Sorry, may patawag. Titingnan natin kung sino. It's the fam.
It's the fam.
Hello?
Oh, see you sa ano. Let's go, let's go.
After nun, meron kaming, what do you call this? After
Coffee table.
Coffee table. And then may connecting kami sa other room. Pero unfortunately,
It's not there.
Tintayin mo na magano. Anyways guys, pwede pa pala dito mag-Netflix. So, sineset up na ni ate.
Hindi, I need to confirm this code on your phone or tablet. Wait,
Magkano here?
oh my god. I don't know. Si Juyo na gano'n eh. Movie marathon na. Tinin, tin, tin, tinin, tinin.
Hello. So, pupunta ako kay Ate Ju. Good cooking. Hello, girl.
Again, what is that?
Ay. Kinain niya na eh. Ano yan?
What's your wish on your
Basta sa college.
Hey!
Hello guys. We're done eating. Look at, ew.
They just finished eating at Whole Foods.
Ano? Ah, oh.
tofu.
Yes! Hello guys, time check, 10:56 na and then nagpiano ako. Medyo naalatan lang ako dun sa ramen daw. Anyways, ayun lang. Nanonood na siya.
The next day.
Ang cute kaya! We're going home. Gaga's bag. It looks rusty. No! God! Oh my God. Use tissue. This is so disgusting. Please, no! We had na-daikot niya rin na perfume from Jasmine. No!
Kami, ma'am.
Ito yung floral scent. It's fresh, pretty much. Pero bagay sa'yo kasi matanda ka na.
Sir, lahat. Sabay sabi.
Alcohol with, wow, matching with the Coach coat. Palit-palit rin ng charger, no? Kaloma. Again. Is this used?
Hindi, bagay yan. Ano yan?
Nag-backpack from the Savannah Hotel. It's teabag. Ay, teabag.
1 week later.
Hi! Mama, sikat na ako! By this time, I'm already in vlog. Pangalan na to? Mga 4, 5, 6.
Please comment, like, and subscribe to Jess's. Ring the notification bell so that you can see her.
Bye! Bye, my love.
Love you. Ingat.
Hello, guys. Tell us what we ordered.
Whether or not, hey, this is the first intro.